Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background of any video in kinemaster. So I'm Shafi, you are watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so here I opened my kinemaster. So here you can see one plus button. So tap on the plus button, and so after tapping on the plus button, so now here you can see we got this kinemaster one. So guys, till now if you don't know what is this a media layers or like that, then link will be in the description below. You can go and check it out. So I explained it in a previous video what is kinemaster and how to use kinemaster. So go and check it out. So first you have to add your background, video or photo. Means whichever background you want, you have to add that background. Do you want a video or photo? It's your choice. So first tap on the media and then select your background. So now here you can see I'm selecting this background. So this is a photo. So now here you can see this photo is moving. So I say this photo should not move like that. It must be stable. So what we have to do? Then tap on the photo and then here you can see one crop option, middle one. So tap on the crop option and then make it full in size. So here let's make the size into full. So here I made the size into full, and then here you can see one equal to button. So tap on this equal to button and tap on the tick mark. So now here you can see this video is stable. This picture is stable. And then tap on the layer and again tap on the media. So I said now you have to select the video which you want to change the background. So now here I am selecting this background. So here first the main thing is you have to make this video to full size. So make it into full size and then tap on chroma key and then tap on enable. So here you can see tap on show mark. So now here you can see we got this helicopter here. Again tap on the tick mark and then select the picture and do how much you want. So how much size you want. So now let's tap on the tick mark. So here first let me slow down this one. Yeah. So guys, now here I'm going to tap on the plus button. So let's see. So it's a really great VFX or a graphics. So guys, like that you have to make a graphics or a VFX. So it's really great, but you can see some like green color. So if you don't want to see even the green color, then you have to change the settings or like that. So you have to choose it. So like that you have to do some settings or like that. Now here it will be somewhat better. So it's somewhat better now. So now here you can see it's really great. So like that we have to do some graphics or a VFX. So this is a really best and cool trick to change the background. So guys, if you want to like this video effects, then tap on YouTube green screen effects. So you can download many green screen effects like a aeroplane crash or anything whichever you like, you can download it. So guys, after doing your project, then tap on the share button, and after tapping on the share button, then here you can see the size that you want. So here I'll select 1080p and then select your frame rate, and you have to keep this high low, this bitrate you have to keep in medium or high, but don't keep too low. So here I'll keep to medium and then tap on export. So yes, now the video will export and it will save in your gallery. So I say share this video as much as possible so that everyone will understand how to do this VFX or graphics. So that's it in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.